Because we'll be doing a live stream Tuesday at 10 o'clock.
A.M.
Central Standard Time.
Central Standard Time. We still don't know what to say.
Should we start over?
Hi, guys. This is a preview for a live stream we're going to do to fix this. D here.
Jay here.
Together, we're JD and some C. We would love for you guys to come. We're going to be doing a live stream this Tuesday, 10 a.m. Central Standard Time. This thing's seen some wear. We're going to be doing gluing some stuff back on here and maybe some repainting and touch-ups and everything. And we'd love for you guys to join us. It would be fantastic. What do you think, Jay?
Yeah, it'd be great. We're setting this up for Adepticon, right? That's why we're doing this.
Yes, totally adept. My God, we're just talking over each other. Pull out the hammer! Shut up, Dale!